Hi, I'm Jeff McQuillan from beautiful Los Angeles, California, and ESLPOD.com. Today, I want to continue talking about a word that is very versatile, that can be used in a lot of different ways, and that word is trip. A common expression is, "That's a trip." That's a trip means that's really cool, or that's really amazing. We often use it when someone does something that is unusual, something that is unexpected, or something that is really amazing. For example, my friend ate 25 hot dogs on the 4th of July this year. He ate 25 hot dogs. That's a trip. I mean, that is really weird, but also kind of amazing. There are two other idioms that we use with trip. One of them is power trip. A power trip is when someone who has power, who has authority, who is able to tell other people what to do, kind of like my wife, when those people use that power or use that authority in a way that is excessive, that is too much. So I might say to one of my older brothers, "You're on a power trip. You are trying to use your authority to make yourself more important than you really are, and just so that you can use it." Sometimes someone in authority, like a boss, will tell you to do something, not because they really need you to do that, but they want to show that they're in charge. To be in charge means to have the power to make decisions, to have the authority to do things. Another expression is guilt trip. A guilt trip is when you feel guilty, you feel bad for having done something wrong. Now, there's nothing wrong with feeling guilty. We probably should feel guilty when we do things that are wrong, when we break the law or break some rule that hurts another person. But a guilt trip is used to describe a situation where you feel almost too guilty. You feel so much guilt that it is more than what the situation requires. If you, for example, are walking down the street and you decide that even though the light is red and you're not supposed to walk across the street, you don't see any cars, you go, I'm just going to walk across the street. Now, that's generally a bad idea. It's against the law in many places in the United States, but it's not the worst thing in the world. You didn't hurt anyone, you didn't hurt yourself. But some people who are really concerned about traffic laws, they might go on a guilt trip. Notice the phrase, to go on. To go on a guilt trip would mean to feel really guilty or bad about something that wasn't really that bad. You can also use this as a phrasal verb, to guilt trip someone. To guilt trip someone would be to make someone else feel guilty, perhaps because you want them to do something for you, or even you want to control them in some way by making them feel guilty. So to guilt trip another person means to make them feel more guilty than they should about something that they did wrong. If you want more English lessons, go to our website at ESLPOD.com and check out or take a look at our unlimited English membership. From Los Angeles, California, I'm Jeff McQuillan. Thanks for watching.